Okay, a quick one. Yes, I am going to fix this. This is rust fixing. So let's get this fixed before we put back the door. So first, let's get this sound. So I am going to make a template first. Yes, like so. Yes, it didn't show very well because okay, cutting it like that, then reducing it. Reduce it again. Let's reduce it again. I'm going to reduce it very well. Yes. Then I'll cut here. Then I'll cut here. Cutting it. This doesn't matter. You have to look nice, like so. So for the second side, I'm going to do the second side too. Yes, I get you guys back on. So right now, I get them cut, the two side. Yes, so let's go on a deck. Okay guys, my template from this to this. Yes, I get them cut. So right now, I'm going to install it. Using this hammer to get it in shape. So Yeah, that is it, guys. Get it done. Yeah. So if this video is helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace out.